Hi everyone, and welcome back to The Balanced Bite. Tonight I'm sharing with you one of my all-time favorite recipes, Ina Garten's rigatoni with Italian sausage. It's creamy, savory, and packed with so much flavor. I made this for Christmas Eve tonight with my husband. He loved it and so did I. This dish has fennel in it, and what you're going to do to cut it, you're going to cut off the ends, which are called the fronds, and then you're going to, you can keep this if you like, it goes really good in soup stock or in a salad. And then we're going to cut off the bottom part of the bulb. And then you want to turn it over, and we're going to cut it, instead of cutting it in half, we're going to cut it crosswise half. Now a lot of times people use fennel in like salads and where you need nice, consistent, like long dices, but in this case we're just going to chop it. And you want to look at it and make sure that there's no, like, you know, excess brown parts, etc. You just want to take those off. And then we're going to cut out the V in the center here, the hard part. To clean this, you're just going to want to take a paper towel and just remove the dirt if you see any. And then go ahead and take it and chop it down the side here. And again, we're just chopping this into a medium dice, so it doesn't have to be, you know, super precise, just you want to get your chops in. And so, yeah, just give it like a kind of a rough chop, I guess. Now cut your onion. Then you're going to dice up 2 garlic cloves, about 2 teaspoons worth. In a Dutch oven, add 3 tablespoons of olive oil and your fennel and your onion, and you're going to stir them for about 5 to 7 minutes. Then you're going to want to add your Italian sausage to the mixture. This gives it the nice flavor, and it goes ahead and browns up the meat really nicely and combines all the flavors in a really nice, harmonious way. Then you're going to add your garlic for just about 2 minutes. And then you can put salt and pepper into the mix, about a half a teaspoon each. Mix that together. And then put your wine. You need a cup of wine, and you should use a dry white. And then you want to put your and then you want to put in your heavy cream and pour that in there. And again, like I said, I'm doing this for 2 pans because my husband doesn't like Italian sausage, and so he did veal in his portion of it. I'm a nice wife, huh, to do that for him? Anyway, let's go ahead and mix this all together. And we want to bring this mixture to a boil. And once you get that to a boil, you just want to keep it there not very long because there's milk in there. And then you want to reduce it down to a simmer and let it simmer for just 20 minutes so the sauce can thicken. So now get out a big pot and boil your water. Then grab your rigatoni and throw that into your boiling water. You want to keep it on a rapid boil for just about 16 minutes. Then you want to drain the pasta in a colander. And then you can take it and take some of the cheese while the pasta is being made and put the cheese, this is after the sauce has been made, put the cheese in. And this is the part where you're supposed to have the pasta in there as well, but I forgot to show you that. So there's supposed to be pasta in here, just imagine that. And some parsley, and put that together. And you have this amazing, really, truly amazing pasta dish that you're going to enjoy for every weeknight dinner or special occasions.
Now this recipe officially serves 6, but since I can only eat a small portion, I divided my servings into about a quarter of the actual size. For me, this makes around 20 portions, so it lasts a long time. It's all about finding a balance that works for you, and that's what works for me. Thanks for joining me in the kitchen tonight. If you love hearty pasta dishes with rich, comforting flavors, you absolutely need to try this recipe. Let me know in the comments if you make it or if you have a favorite pasta dish you would like me to try next. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss a new video. Have a wonderful holiday season, and I'll see you in the next video.